showcase.
All of the brides in the Washington, D.C. area love to come to our show because they know that they can meet the best vendors in the entire area. And today we have Reem Acra. She's one of the best fashion designers in the business. She's going to show her 2012 collection of bridal gowns. And it's just going to be like Hollywood glamour, New York glamour here on our stage. So we're really happy about it.
To do with the Unveiled event is to create a one-stop shop for brides to meet all the area's best vendors in one place, be able to talk to them one-on-one, and book them.
We always grow upon the years in the past, and it's been so successful. This is our 4th year doing it, and we're really happy.
We do a lot of events here in the DC area, and Washingtonian Bride and Groom is an incredible showcase for the best vendors in the city to showcase their work. And it's exceptionally wonderful to be a part of this event. This year was remarkable. I can't even begin to tell you the quality of people who came through the event, and of course the quality vendors that were here today, and it was such a pleasure to be a part of it. And I can't even begin to thank the team that put this amazing show together today.
20% of the brides that come to Unveiled spend over $100,000 on their wedding. And we felt that we could match a very high-end client with a very high-end vendor and bring those two together. And we loved doing it, and they loved it as well. It's a real honor and a pleasure for us.
So far, this has just been an amazing show. I feel like my wedding is practically planned for me already. I've talked to amazing vendors, I've got amazing bouquet. I feel like I've just been able to find everybody here. So it's been great to have everybody in one place.
I mean, this is our 2nd show of the day, and this is where we're finishing things. I mean, we've met somebody that we're already looking at as a wedding planner. Oh, yeah. The floral person that we talked to is fantastic. Somebody's already set us up for honeymoon registries. This was the right place to go.
Definitely.
This show actually tops them all, with the lobster pasta to the kind of the champagne servings, and the fashion show was amazing. So this hands down has been the best show that we've been to.
I'm having a great time. If this is what it's about, I'm going all of it.
So thankful to Washingtonian for thinking of us and asking us to be a part of such an amazing event. We are so flattered, and it was an absolute pleasure working with them and their team.
Everything. The dresses were beautiful, gorgeous. The fashion show was great. I really enjoyed it. Of course, the prize that I won to top it all up was great too.